the puck. Fans wanted a call. They're not going to get one. Davidson on it. Walks in. Fires. Scores! This all starts from back in the Oilers' own zone. It's McDavid that picks this puck up, gets on his horse, gains the zone here for the Oilers, and from this, they get to work. This puck's going to end up back at the point. A nice E-to-D look here, and Davidson has all day to unload. Look at the traffic in front of it. There's Yakupov getting in front of Carey Price, causing a disturbance. Davidson